Everybody, welcome back. We've got a lot to do today. I'm going to probably have to break this up into a couple different videos because I do have some work things that I need to take care of right now. But it is time. I wanted to go ahead and show you. I've been soaking these. These are wheatgrass. So since we've had some pretty good success with the wheatgrass, and plus that's really good for Elisa, especially. We're going to go ahead and seed 2 more trays of that. So I'll get to that. And then we've got our trays here that are ready to harvest. So you can see that, that's some pretty good growth. Hopefully you guys can see this. Where are we at here? I think I've got it on the wrong side. Right about there. It is saying, well, whatever's up to about right here. Was that 7.5? Almost 8. So that's pretty dang good, and it really started to grow over the last couple of days, and watering it appropriately and all. And then I've got this other tray back over here too. So I'll get back to you in a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and get this set up and get ready to harvest this and show you what that's like. And then we'll get to the next step in the process of this, which is really not much. It's just kind of dumping out the excess water, leaning it on its side about a 45-degree angle. For about the next 12 hours. And then after that, I'm going to rinse it again, do that a few more times. And by then, they should start germinating, and then I'll be ready to seed them into a tray. So I'll be back in a bit. All right, I'm back, and one of the things I'm going to do is sanitize my hands because I'm going to be touching some of these things. We don't want any of the things. I washed my hands thoroughly before that, but I'm just going to go ahead and do this also. So we'll go ahead and start getting this cut, and we'll see what we get here. So very sharp knife, so hopefully you guys don't catch me doing some damage to myself. So the knife cuts pretty good. I don't know if you guys can see all that, but do what we can there. And the smell, it smells like, as you can imagine, fresh cut grass. I don't know if you guys have ever had any of this stuff, especially, juice. That's primarily what you do with this stuff, is you juice it. Turn you this way a little bit more. All right, as I clean up a little bit here, we got about a full bowl worth of this. So I'm going to set this up, and I'm going to get a weight, and I'll let you know what I got out of those 2 trays. All right, I've switched up views here a little bit, and I'm just going to go ahead and I've zeroed out the scale. So now I'm going to go ahead and start throwing this in here. Try not to drop any of it. So 449 grams. Let's see if we can switch that over to ounces. 5.3 ounces. Yeah, 5.3 ounces. So, I'm not too sure how much, juice that's going to make. But I'll run that through the juicer, and I'll let you guys know what we find out. Next, we're going to get these guys soaked and just kind of prepped for the next few days until they sprout. So catch you guys in a little bit.